So, hi Johnny, how are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Great. So, Johnny, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from New Jersey, from the United States.
Okay, perfect. And how did you hear about premium care?
Actually, I checked online. Then I also checked on the plastic surgeon's website here in Colombia, and then also through YouTube videos. And then I actually put best doctors in Colombia, and then following the links in there, I came across Dr. Alex Campbell here in Cartagena.
Okay, great. And how was your first consultation with Dr. Campbell?
Oh, it was great. So before anything, actually, I spoke with him over the phone. I sent them pictures of what I wanted to be enhanced. But no, it was great. He explained to me the details of the procedures that he recommended me to get done. And I like how the conversation went. I like what he explained to me over the phone. And then also the results and the feedback that I saw on the videos from other patients that saw him in the past.
Wow, that's great. And from that moment to actually come here and have your procedure done, how was all the process?
I think it was amazing. I think Premium Care really lives up to their brand promise of providing premium care. Per se, I had my surgery done. I'm staying in one of their recovery suites, and throughout the entire process, I've been here since I arrived pre-surgery. Everyone, the staff here, they have been providing me the premium care and specific like services tailored to me. You know, like asking me, range things like from the breakfast menu all the way to the dinner menu, checking up on me to see how am I doing. The staff here, the nurses, the doctors too, and the staff also, other hospitals that they have here where they do the surgeries.
Wow.
So yeah, I really believe that they do live to their brand promise of providing premium care services.
Wow. That's very interesting because I was going to ask you how was your experience here at the recovery suites, but you just said it all.
Yeah, I think everything ties up. Like if we look at the doctor's clinic named Premium Care Plastic Surgery, that name I think conveys clearly their brand promise of providing premium care services, ranging from pre-operation consultations to post-operation consultations throughout this, the entire process. Like I remember telling the doctor's wife, because they operate together, like she has been the only doctor so far that I can never forget. She held my hand until I fell asleep.
Wow.
Before I had my operation done in the operating room.
Wow. Thank you for that. And I know your surgery was very recent.
Yes, it was.
Are you happy with the results so far?
I am very happy, and actually they went above what I expected. Like, of course, you see the digital possibilities of what the outcome might be. They were good, they were great, but then seeing myself now, it was just beyond that expectation that I had. They went beyond. So I had like a rhinoplastic, and I also had a 360 liposuction. I'm still sore and swollen, but I'm very happy. I'm very happy because the doctors, the nurses, they have all explained to me that the swelling will go down gradually. This is my first 7 days after the surgery, so it's still fairly fresh, versus like you said. And I'm very happy so far with my results, and I'm looking forward to see how I will look in a month from now.
Wow, I'm very glad to hear that.
Thank you.
And Cartagena is part of the experience. So how do you like the city?
I really liked it. I thought it was so, now that you mentioned that, so funny because not funny, but very convenient, I should say. So they booked it here in Premium Care. They do the whole package. They pick you up at the airport. They take you to the recovery suites. They take you everywhere. So with the driver that he picked me up, I arranged a semi-private tour of Cartagena. And it was very convenient. Like I remember the guy picking me up at my last appointment before my surgery. He took me around the old town or old city. I don't know the proper name of it. Then we went to the old monastery, and it had an amazing, breathtaking view of the entire city of Cartagena. And then just taking a quick tour, in that area, in that colonial part, and then just walking around, because I walked around there too before my operation. And even the area here where the recovery suites are is very nice. Like we have a very nice balcony with the entire, like almost 360 view of the beach. And we have a very nice also mall right next to the recovery suites, which is very nice. I've been there a few times. But definitely like seeing the culture, seeing the Colombian people here in Cartagena, especially in the old city, has been very, very, very great, I would say, experiencing that culture and their food here as well.
Wow. So thank you so much for sharing your journey with us, and thank you so much for trust in premium care.
Of course.